Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, I will show you how to fill up MA application form for MA in Development Studies. Okay, and today I will show you how to fill up the form of IIT Hyderabad. Okay, so in this video, you will get every idea and I will clarify your all doubts. Okay, so many students send me they have sent many messages, they have sent many emails. Some viewers of my YouTube channel personally called me, sir, please make a video how to fill up a form of IIT Hyderabad for MA in Development Studies. Guys, in this video, I will give you complete details how to fill up the form of IIT Hyderabad and the students who are in the final year, how you can put your result. So guys, and even I will show you how you can give your gate details. Okay, so everything you will get in this video. So guys, if you want to know all the details how to fill up the form of IIT Hyderabad for MA in Development Studies, you should watch this video till the end. Okay, so guys, let's start. I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. This is the main page of IIT Hyderabad, and you can see this notification MTech, MDs, that is Master of Design, and MA admission portal is now open. So just click on it, you will see this. Okay, so click on this portal, you will be able to see these important dates, department brochure, and you have to read this instruction how to fill up the application form. You can read this. Here is the brochure, here is the instruction to fill the application. So now I will show you, this is the login section. The students who want to apply in this department, you will get many opportunities after 2 years program. And guys, all of you know that IIT Hyderabad is a very developed city in our country, so you will get placement. So don't worry about the placement, you should apply in this IIT. And one more important thing is that the students who have completed their master's degree in specific subject, you can go for PhD program. And even if your age is below 25 years, so you should, it's my suggestion, you can go for another master's program. So you will do 1 year research program. Okay, so it will build your base. Okay, it will build your base, it will give you the idea whether you should go for PhD, yes or not. So guys, let's start for today's video, main important information and how to fill up the form of MA in Development Studies. Okay, so the students who have not applied before, you have to register first. You have to register first. You have to register means what will be your login ID. You can give anything, but you should write like I am Surajit Jalik, like I am putting like Jalik 2021. This is my ID. So this is my password. You can create your own password. You can create your own password. Okay, so after that you have to enter that enter password. Okay, and look, you can put this and you have to enter this code, and then you have to click on it register section, so you will get that. Okay, so after registration you will get a you will get an email, okay, and you have to validate the security code. Just click on that, just click on the security code, and after that you can go for further application. Look, already I have done that. So my application ID is Jalik 21, and I'm putting my password, and I will do look. So you have to click on this, you can see this, okay, you have to click on this and look, liberal arts MA in development studies, and apply start date is 10 March and last date or final date like 7th April. So guys, you have to click on it and you will be able to see all this, okay. So you will be able to all this. So first of all, I want to show you something look like this, okay. So you have to put your name, okay. So I have put my name Mr. Surajit, and like my middle name, there is no middle name, so Jalik. So I have given male or female, whatever you want to put, so you can put that. So you can put your father name and then date of birth, and then according to your choice, according to your category, general, OBC, economically weaker section, you can check that. OBC, if you are SC, if you are ST, you can put this, okay. So after that you have to select this, okay. So you have to select this, like upload your image, and then you have to put this, you are Indian, yes or no. If you are single, so you can put that. If you are married, you can put that. And disabled status, you can put that no, you have no disabled status. So after that you have to put place of birth, okay. So then you have to click on this address section, okay. Already I have put all this, okay. And after that you can, if your like address, permanent address, and like correspondence address is same, so you can click the checkbox, so it will be like same. Look, this and this section will be same. When you will submit all this information, just submit that, and then contact, you can put this all, okay, you can put this. So you have to submit that. After that you have to click on save and next, and then you have to put your qualification details. So if you like, if you are from different ICSE, CBSE, state board background, you can put all this information. You have to select this, like this is 10th standard, okay. So you can put this, and you should put the name of the high school. This is my name of the high school, Pintras High School, and the name of the board of my school, like West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, you can put according to you. And after that you should click on this, and you have to put the year of passing of your 10th. Look, and then you have to click on it, because 10 in the, there is no specialization in class 10, it is a general section. So you have to put this grade points or marks. If your result showing marks, you can show that. You have to put like this, you have to put like digits. So 720 out of 800, so you will get this percentage here. You have to put like what marks you have obtained in your final result, and this is the total marks, you can put this, okay. And look, then you have to put your intermediate or class 12 standard, okay. So you can put the name of your school, okay, or institution name. So and board. So my like our board was West Bengal Board of Council of Higher Secondary Education, and the year of passing you have to put. And my 12th was science, so I have put that. And then you have to choose marks or grade points, so you can put that. you have to put according to your marks and total marks. Okay, so we can put that, and after that you will get this percentage. So similarly, if you have like a PG, so you can, if you like, if you have done BA BSc, you can have to click on this. If you have done like BA program bachelor parts, if you are in the final year student, you have to click bachelor of arts or bachelor of commerce, whatever your like background. If you have done like other courses, you can put this. Look, these are the some options. Look, this is the these are the some basic options. So this is like page 1, this is page 2, you have to click on it. So you will see this, the students of BTech engineering background, the students of science, basic science background, they can also apply. Okay, so the bachelor of veterinary science, all the students from this background, they can apply. If you have like BSc, you can put this. Okay, you can put this. Okay, BSc. If you are from like you have to go to this section, you can go for this. Okay, so you have to do it. Okay, so my college name was City College, it was under the University of Calcutta. Okay, that is the university or board. So year of passing 17. This is like, look, my subject, graduation subject was like geology, and total marks. Okay, so already I have put all the data. Okay, and PG, if you have like PG, you can click on this. If you if you have like MA degree or MA in liberal studies, if you have MBA, you can put all this. If you have like master of engineering, you can put this. So these are the some basic options, you can click on this. So this, the students who are from MTech MSc background, they can put this. Okay, so I think you can put this. So I have done MSc. Okay, so I have put this. So it was my university. You have to put according to your university, whatever the college. If you are like uh, BA background candidate, you can apply up to this section. Okay, so one student like called me yesterday. Okay, so like he asked me, sir, I am final year candidate, so how can I put my score? So I am telling you guys, you should put the final year result. Okay, you have to put this final year result. Out of this you have to put this. Okay, so final year result, you have to make a PDF on that. You have to scan that result. After that you have to upload all the documents. Okay, so you should give final year result marks. Okay, you have to put this final total marks. Okay, they will understand. Okay, so they will see your result. Okay, and listen guys, if you are final year student, you can upload your result like all the documents. You have to scan your first year result, second year result. Like if you have no final year result, you have to join this first year and second year result. It will be good for you. Okay, you will put your final year mark sheet. Okay, so if you have other degrees, you can put here. Like if you want to new anyone, if you have other degree, so you have to click on this, add new. Okay, so you have to click on this, any PG degree. Okay, you have to choose this. Okay, so you can check all this. So I think this information will be really helpful. Okay, otherwise you can delete this. Okay, so save and next. Now it is like publication. If you have any publication, if you have any publication, you can click on this. If you have any talk or international journals, national journals, if you have any type of projects, okay, you have designed, you have published, you can put it here, like publication name and everything. Okay, no publication, no problem, no abstracts, no problem. So just you have to click on this and save and next. Okay, look, what experience type. If you have any experience like teaching, research, postdoctoral fellow, industry, others, you can put this. So you have to put this, you have to select first, so you have to put this. Okay, what is the organization, everything you have to put this. Okay, so just scroll this, and from which date to which date you have to put all the information. Okay, so if you have any such details you can put it, otherwise you can leave the information. Okay, at the time you have to click on this and then save and next. So now it is award type. If you like have any award during your academic career, you can put this. So you can select others, name of the award, name of the organization, year of the award. Okay, you can put anything, any details you can put here, so it will be good for your resume. So if you have no such award, so you can click this negative symbol, that's the minus symbol, and save and next. Okay, so now you have to put your entry exam. Okay, entry exam. Okay, it means that you can this, you can put your gate result. So on the basis of that result, always I am telling you guys from the starting of my YouTube channel, so all the IITs will update some their information regarding MA in development studies, MA in humanities and social science domain admission. Okay, so IIT Hyderabad already updated their information. Look, entry exam form is here, so you have to put it like gate, you have to put your registration number, you have to put your exam date, like month, not date means here like February, not like that. You have to put like March, April, May. So all time it will be like February. Okay, so you appeared in this year, you have to put this. You have to like select get score, you have to put like get score, whatever you have got yours. And validity, so you have to click on this, like your validity will be like 24th or 23. Okay, so you have to put according to you have already you have got already your like get scorecard na. So you have to put like your get scorecard validity up to 24th. Okay, so you have to put this. You should upload your you should put your exercise paper and then rank, and look, you have to put this information. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. So if you have any further result, you can check on this if you have any further result. Okay, otherwise you can save. And look, this is the payment option, SBI Collect. What is the SBI Collect? You have to pay first, you have to select this option. Okay, so after when you log out, you can go and you will see that all data will be saved. Okay, so you will get to this option, you will be able to see this option after your payment, and I'll show you what is the reference number. You have to put like if you are general, so you can put this. If you are a reserve category background, you can put this, whatever the number you can put this. Okay, so it will be according to you. Okay, so after that you have to click on this. Okay, so I think SBI online site is busy, so that is why it is not opening. So I'm sorry guys, so I'll show you after some time. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. After your payment, you have to submit this application form. Okay, I think this information will be really helpful. This is all about your application form. Okay, so this is the application final. Okay, you have to checklist, you will get another option. Look, personal information I have filled out for qualification and work experience and so on. Okay, and so on. And last one, like your application fees. Okay, so look, this is the entry exam awards, entry exam application fee, and checklist. Checklist means you have to upload your documents in PDF format. Okay, you have to upload all this option. Look, this last one. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful when you will submit your like application fee. You will get a like challan of SBI. So at that time you'll get a receipt actually. So you have to put the first id means reference number, bank reference number. Okay, so you have to put this. After that you have to click on this save and next. Okay, so after payment you will be able to skip that section. I think this is all about today, and this information will be really helpful. Okay, so once again I am going to show you one more important thing. Look guys, this is my id. I am not applying. Okay, I am making this video just for your it will be helpful for you. So one more important thing is that, look, I'm going to uh, show you one more important information. Okay, just I want to click on this. I want to show you already like I have saved all data. Okay, so after that, look, so you have to pay first. Okay, this is compulsory. This option is very compulsory. Okay, so you have to check list. Okay, so it means saved. Green signal means saved. Okay, not yet saved, it is not mandatory, but this symbol, star symbol, is mandatory. Okay, so you have to put, already I have given the information, so it is saved. Okay, so view details, you can see the view details, you can submit details, so it will show after your fee. Okay, view details, you can see everything. Okay, you will be able to see every information. So this will be your look like this. I think this information will be really helpful. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit the like button. I will come up with another video like how to fill up the form of IIT Guwahati. Okay, so some student really they called me many times. Okay, so I am here to help you guys. Okay, I'll try my best. Okay, so thank you, tata bye bye from my side. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram. Okay, so tata bye bye.